Hi, I'm Nicole Coyne. You might remember me from some Healthy Steps Nutrition videos that guided you on your health and wellness journey. I have some really exciting news. We have just launched the Healthy Steps Nutrition app, powered by everything that we've learned helping thousands of people take control of their health. Just because you might not be working with a coach now doesn't mean you don't deserve a tool that's going to help you stay consistent. Because the truth is, life happens and sometimes we drift. But that doesn't mean you have to start over, it just means you need a system that works. The Healthy Steps Nutrition app takes the same system that earned us the top habit-based coaching program in 2025 and puts it in your hands. Written by dietitians, trusted by doctors, and built for you. Inside, you can learn from simple, research-backed lessons that have practical tips you can apply right away. You can plan healthy meals, search some of your favorite Healthy Steps Nutrition recipes, and so many more. Plan them on a specific day that'll generate to a grocery list. Because when you prepare ahead of time, you can make the healthy choice the easy choice. Track your habits and your meals in a smarter way. Take a photo. Get AI feedback in real time, not just any generic AI. AI that's trained by our dietitian team with over 100 years of combined experience. You can connect with other people that are on their health and wellness journey. You can also sync your wearable device, like your smartwatch, so that your sleep and your movement all get pulled into one place. No more scattered data, just clarity. This isn't about us launching something new. It's about you having a smarter way to stay consistent. You can download the Healthy Steps Nutrition app at a lower cost so that you can re-engage with your health without a major commitment. The next 90 days are coming. The question is, will you drift or will you build momentum? You don't need to be perfect. You just need a system. And now you have one. Are you ready to own your health? Download the Healthy Steps Nutrition app and start your free trial today.